Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. It's Vlogmas day 6. I'm about to say good morning, but it is like 3 p.m. or something like that. Oh, what did I do? Oh, God. It's like 3 p.m. and I have not been doing nothing but laying in the bed. I'm tired. So, I'm about to get our day started. I need to put some clothes on, and then I really need to clean up. Like, of course, my place is kind of, it's clean, but I feel like it need a little deep cleaning. I kind of been slacking. I need to mop the floor and just wash the few dishes that's in there. And yeah, I'm really tired though. I don't know why. Well, I know why, because I be up to like 6 o'clock in the freaking morning. I need to get my schedule back, but I don't be having no energy during the day. It's like I'm alive at nighttime, but during the day, I be out of there. am so freaking tired, and I didn't even do shit. That's how I know I'm getting old and I'm fat than a motherfucker, because it don't make no sense. All I did was wash the dishes, sweep them off the floor, clean the table off, and I'm tired. And then I'm sweating my hair out because I had the heater on. Well, I had turned it off, but you know, once your body start moving, girl, what am I gonna do? Cause I mean, I just want to lose this belly. That's my main issue. Oh my Oh gosh, but I am tired. I was gonna clean my room up too. But girl, who finna do all that? I gotta say that for another day. Today just gonna be kitchen and living room, which the kitchen and living room wasn't even that bad. I just washed those dishes, and then the floor needed to be mopped because it's like tile. It's like I don't know what the fuck. I feel like you gotta sweep and mop every fucking day. Like they should have gave me some hardwood floors or something, because hardwood floors you can kind of skip a couple days, but with that tile, and the tile was like a light tan color, so I feel like it showed everything. But my room is the main thing giving me anxiety. So I feel like I should have started with that, because that's where I spend the most time. Like my living room don't be dirty. My son be in the living room, he just plays Xbox and that's it. But my room, I need to fold clothes. I need to mop the floor, my bathroom floor. I'm in the middle of the night, I be getting up eating fruit snacks. I got fruit snack wrappers. So I feel like that's what's giving me anxiety. So I should have started with that, but I feel like I wanted to clean the kitchen first. I can tackle my room another time. Because, as a matter of fact, I know it's going to take, a long amount of time to clean it, which I usually keep it pretty decent, but I had washed clothes and I didn't fold them right away and put them up, so they all on my bed. And then my room is small, so I feel like the smallest amount of thing can just make my room look so fucking junky. But best believe it's clean. I just need to put shit where it got. Okay, don't get it twisted. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm kind of falling behind. Today is December 6th, and this is Vlogmas Day 6. Usually I do it ahead of time. Like yesterday would have been day 6, but yesterday I just wasn't feeling it. I ain't feel like getting out of bed. And then when I did get out of bed, I went somewhere with my sister, and I was out of it. I was falling asleep, which I know is because I go to sleep. I don't, like, this is what I do. I take a nap, like around 10 or 11, I get sleepy. So I'll fall asleep, and then I'll wake up probably like 1 or 2 in the morning. And then I'm just up. And then I'll get sleepy probably like 8 a.m. And then I'll go to sleep. And then I feel like my body thinks that that's nighttime. So it'll be wanting to sleep for the rest of the day from like 8 a.m. all the way to like 5 p.m. Which, that's daytime, bitch. And then it get dark at 5:30. So the day is over with. So I'm living a nightlife. For what? Alright, y'all, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And, stay tuned for Vlogmas. We going. We keeping it consistent. And, just go ahead and subscribe, y'all. Because, like, 95% of my freaking viewers are not subscribed. And what's going on? But I think I'm gonna call y'all my gorgeous gang because you know, of course, I'm gorgeous Maya, and we the gorgeous gang. So if you want to be a part of the gorgeous gang, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click on that Vlogmas playlist so you can keep up. I mean, so you can catch up on all my vlogs from day 1 to 5. And I'm going ahead and upload this, and I will see y'all tomorrow.